Well, the transmitter's complaining. Let's clean this nasty-ass air filter out. It felt like a month's worth of accumulation in a sealed building, but somehow that magic farm dirt just keeps getting in here and gacking up my fancy transmitters here. Ouch. Bloop. Yuck. And it tastes disgusting too. How much of that shit is in there? All of it? Yes. Yuck. There's like more coming out. Here, hold this. If I don't run all the air out of this thing, I have to, well, I'll just plug it in and get more. That'll about do her. You know what, maybe I'll just take this whole thing out of here and clean it off like I did last time. Yeah, we gotta charge up the air tanks again. I'll be back.